The care sector in Wales is facing a number of recruitment challenges, but we're here to help you find the right people for the right roles. The WeCare Wales' job portal is a free one-stop platform where you can post your current care vacancies quickly and easily. And with more than 1,500 job seekers from across Wales searching the jobs portal, you'll have a pool of candidates ready and waiting to apply. Our portal features a unique online learning resource where applicants can watch videos of different care scenarios to see how they'd respond, to help identify if they have what it takes to work in care, so you can be sure that each applicant is passionate about building a long-term career in care. Registering takes less than a minute, and as soon as you're approved as an employer, you'll be able to post your jobs instantly with a click of a button. And to ensure your jobs reach the right people, we'll send a job alert email to all of our registered candidates to share the news that you're hiring. From your dashboard, you can manage multiple job postings. It couldn't be easier to edit them, and you can even duplicate your job ads and edit the details to save time when you're recruiting for similar positions. Plus, you can keep an eye on all applications whenever you want with our easy-to-use navigation. Your dashboard holds all your active and expired vacancies in one place, together with your list of applicants. And you'll have access to an employer toolkit, where you can download resources to support you. Register for your free WeCare Wales Employers' profile today and start recruiting the right people now.